In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Huawei router Wi-Fi problems. So the most basic troubleshooting steps is to basically restart your router or devices. You want to power off your router, unplug it for 30 seconds and restart your phone or computer. You want to check your cables. Ensure that the Ethernet cable is secure in the router's WAN port. And lastly, you want to move closer. Get your device closer to the router to rule out weak signal or connection. For our router settings, we have to update our firmware. You want to check the AI Life application for updates. You want to check block list. In the AI Life application, you want to navigate through the router settings to see if your device is blocked. You want to optimize your Wi-Fi. You want to use the AI app application to find Wi-Fi network optimization settings or manually change the Wi-Fi channel. And lastly, you want to check your encryption. Ensure that it's on WPA, WPA2-PSK. For advanced steps, you want to verify broadband. Connect a computer directly through the modem wall port to see if the internet service is working by itself. And lastly, you want to reset your router. If problem persists, factory reset your router. Press and hold the reset button for at least 10 seconds and reconfigure it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.